In this video, we are going to explore the top command, a powerful tool available in Linux for real-time system monitoring and process management. The top command provides a dynamic view of system performance, allowing you to monitor key metrics like CPU usage, memory consumption, and running processes. It also allows interactive control, which allows you to manage processes directly from the interface. This is invaluable for identifying performance bottlenecks and troubleshooting system issues. The top command provides a dynamic real-time view of a running system. It displays system summary information and shows a list of processes or threads. It updates periodically with a default interval of 3 seconds. And importantly, it requires no special permissions to run, making it accessible to all users. To use the top command, simply type top in your terminal. To run the top command with a specific refresh interval, use the top command followed by the D option and the desired interval in seconds. For example, top D2 will refresh the display every 2 seconds. To run the top command in batch mode, which is non-interactive and useful for logging, use the top B command. The top command interface is divided into several key areas. The summary area or header provides an overview of system performance metrics such as uptime, number of users, and load averages. The process list headers define the columns displayed in the process list such as process ID, user, CPU usage, and memory usage. The process list displays the list of running processes, sorted by default by CPU usage. This can be changed by pressing different keys. The system summary area shows uptime, users, load averages, and resource usage statistics. The column headers explain what each value in the process list represents. The list of running processes is sorted by default by CPU usage, but this can be changed using interactive commands. The header of the top command output contains valuable system information. The uptime and load average field shows the current time, system uptime, number of logged-in users, and load averages for the past 1, 5, and 15 minutes. A load average greater than 1.0 may indicate CPU saturation. The values are relative to the number of CPU cores. The task summary field displays the count of processes in various states, including running, actively using CPU time, sleeping, waiting for an event, stopped, paused by signal, and zombie, terminated but not reaped. The CPU states field provides a percentage breakdown of CPU usage, including user processes, system or kernel processes, idle time, and I/O wait. The memory usage field shows physical and swap memory statistics, including total installed memory, unused memory, actively used memory, buffer and cache memory, and memory available for new processes. The process list in the top command displays various fields providing information about each running process. The process ID or PID is a unique identifier assigned to each process by the kernel. The user field shows the username of the process owner, indicating which user is running the process. The PR and NI fields represent the process priority and the NICE value, which influences the priority, ranging from -20 to 19, with lower values indicating higher priority. The VIRT, RES, and SHR fields represent the virtual memory used, the physical memory used, and the shared memory respectively. The S field indicates the process state with values like R for running, S for sleeping, D for uninterruptible sleep, Z for zombie, and T for stopped. The %CPU and %MEM fields show the CPU usage percentage and the memory usage percentage relative to total RAM. The time plus field displays the total CPU time used by the process since it started, in minutes, seconds, and hundredths format. The command field shows the command name or command line, representing the program being executed, which may be truncated in the default view. Additional fields can be displayed by pressing the F key, while the top command is running to access the field management screen. The top command offers a variety of interactive commands that you can use while it's running. By pressing H, you can access the help screen with all available commands. By pressing F, you can add or remove fields to display in the process list. By pressing O, you can change the display order of fields. By pressing S, you can change the update frequency. Pressing the number 1 toggles the display between single and all CPU views. Pressing T toggles the task or CPU summary display. Pressing M toggles the memory information display. For process management, you can press K to kill a process, requiring the process ID. Press R to renice a process, changing its priority. Press U to filter the process list by user name. Press N to set the number of processes to show. Press C to toggle the command name or line display. Press I to toggle the display of idle processes. Press Q to quit the top command. For sorting options, press P to sort by CPU usage, which is the default. Press M to sort by memory usage. Press T to sort by time or cumulative time. Press N to sort by process ID. Press R to reverse the current sort order. For output controls, press W to save the current settings for the next start. Press D to change the update interval. Press to change the memory scaling. Press to change the task memory scaling. Press Z to toggle color or mono mode. The top command offers several practical applications for system monitoring and troubleshooting. To monitor processes owned by a specific user, use the command top U followed by the username. For example, top U Apache will show only processes owned by the user Apache. Alternatively, you can press U while the top command is running and then type the username. To sort the process list by memory usage, use the command top O%MEM. Alternatively, you can press M while the top command is running. To run top in batch mode for logging purposes, use the command top B with options like N to specify the number of iterations and G to set the interval. For example, top BN5D10 will capture 5 iterations with 10-second intervals and save the output to a file. To monitor specific processes by their process IDs, use the command top P followed by a comma-separated list of PIDs. Alternatively, you can use prep to find the PIDs of processes matching a certain name and then pass them to top. The top command provides several advanced options for customizing its behavior. To customize the top's output format and focus on specific metrics, you can use the O option to select the fields to display. For example, top O%CPU O%MEM will display CPU and memory usage. You can also press F in top to achieve the same. To run the top in secure mode to disable potentially dangerous interactive commands, use the S option. To display individual threads instead of processes, use the Ch option. You can also toggle the thread view in interactive mode by pressing H. To display processes in a parent-child hierarchy, also known as the forest view, you can press V while top is running. While the top command is a valuable tool, several alternatives offer enhanced features and user interfaces. Top is an enhanced version with color, vertical, horizontal scrolling, and mouse support. Atop is an advanced system and process monitor with logging capabilities. Glances is a cross-platform monitoring tool with a web interface option. Top++ is a resource monitor with a modern user interface and detailed graphics. PS provides a static snapshot of current processes in a non-interactive format. The top command provides real-time system monitoring with minimal resource usage. Its interactive commands make it powerful for system troubleshooting. It helps identify resource-intensive processes and performance bottlenecks. You can manage processes directly from the interface, such as killing or renicing them. The batch mode allows for automated monitoring and logging. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.